What is the motor of history? What brings about change? One pattern that we historians notice is the role of anonymous or fictitious leaders in popular dissent. Workers often support these fictitious figures partly so that they cannot be victimised. This would be true of the episode in 1830 when farm labourers claimed to support a figure called Captain Swing. Labourers found themselves out of work because of the introduction of new threshing machines. Their form of protest was to send letters signed by the fictitious Captain Swing demanding that the new threshing machines be destroyed. If his demands were not met, then the farmer's property would be destroyed. There were Captain Swing riots through the southeast of England. It seemed to many people that England was actually on the verge of revolution. It wasn't, but Captain Swing, as a symbol, proved to be a harbinger of change.